Ekspor ke Batisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Sembur Menteri Rang Ba Kejala, Bakmi ya katanat kampo yeng, ulaong bakalong kabadon kamban penne pensa ya ki jingle niam ka judgment rio, ha Kejala Meghalaya. Daka bapan pauru baka sorkar kala persang ru ban kenti ya kini ki jingle niam katkum ka jingya kapor. Uba Prestone ula penpau ya kani, haba penia pia ya ka Shad Nongkrem bat ya kata masa cherry blossom. Daka baong ba ka Shad Nongkrem ka Shad le niam. Kabadon ya katamay, katkum kariti kadostor, handray ka cherry blossom ka daytang katamasa, kaba penirong ban kentiw ya kisap kipong ya kabala pelong hi da kasorkar. Ula kula ru ba kasorkar kan sa ajing erap, ya kijing Shad tanra jong ki judgment ri badan ha Meghalaya, ka Shad Wangala, ka Shad sungmansim bat kaleniam bedengklam.
See, if you talk about the Cherry Blossom Festival, it's totally different from this festival. This is a customary laws, I should say. It's also a spiritual festival, I should say. Whereas if you talk about the Cherry Blossom Festival that we have, where the government also is part of it, it's totally different. This is, to make sure that the exposures of our talents that we have in the state of Meghalaya. Different singers we have, different talented young boys and young girls. So that is already, I think that is totally different, I should say, from the festival that we are having. And now I'm telling you, we are fully a part of the spiritual festival that we are having, be it Wangala dance, be it Nongkrem dance, be it Senkhasi dance. We are part of it, and be it what we call it, be it from Joy, that bedengklam. So government used to give some kind of assistance annually to these traditional bodies, so that they can preserve, they can further strengthen the events that we have every year.
Don't you think that the vanishing traditional art forms and traditional dance forms should be also researched and documented?
Yeah, it is. In fact, we would again request all the district councils, because we have 3 district councils here in our state, Jantia, Khasi and Garo. We impress upon the district council to encourage our people to make sure that the customary laws and customary practices is at any point of time prevails in the state of Nongkrem.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da kajo shi kajo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.